children, today we shall solve the problems of exercise 3.2 of a polynomials chapter class 10. Let's see what is the third question. Draw the graphs of the given polynomial and find the zeros. Justify the answer. We have to draw graph of these given polynomials and find the zeros. We need to justify the answer. Okay. Children, I will explain these problems in two methods. First problem I will explain in one way, second problem in second method. Okay, you can follow one of these two methods which you feel comfortable. Okay, so now move on to first problem. P of x equal to x square minus x minus 12. So first we need to draw the graph for this polynomial and we need to find the zeros of this polynomial. Next we need to justify our answer. Okay, so to draw the graph of this polynomial we need x and y values. Okay, so how can we find? Let us assume this given polynomial y equal to x square minus x minus 12. Okay, so list of values of p of x. So x values are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next y values x comma y here. So we have to substitute these x values in given p of x. Then we will get y values. Okay. So after that we can locate x comma y values on a graph. Then we can find zeros of this polynomial. Okay. So first substitute x equal minus 3 in given polynomial. So rough work. Here I am doing rough work. So what is the given polynomial? Y equal to x square minus x minus 12. Now substituting first x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3. Y equal to, in place of x substitute minus 3 whole square minus of minus 3 minus 12. Minus 3 whole square is 9. Minus into minus plus 3 minus 12. 9 plus 3 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So here we have y value is 0, minus 3 comma 0. Next substitute x equal to minus 2. Y equal to x square minus x minus 12. Y equal to minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 minus 12. Minus 2 whole square minus into minus 2. 2 to the 4. Minus into minus plus 2 minus 12. 4 plus 2 6. 6 minus 12 minus 6. Next value is x equal to minus 1. Y equal to x square minus x minus 12. Minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 minus 12. So minus 1 into minus 1 1. Minus into minus 1 plus 1 minus 12. 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 12 minus 10. Okay. So minus 6 minus 10. Next minus 2 comma minus 6. Minus 1 comma minus 10. Next substitute x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Y equal to x square minus x minus 12. Y equal to 0 whole square minus of 0 minus 12. 0 0 get cancel minus 12. When you substitute 0 we will get y value is minus 12. 0 comma minus 12. Okay. Now substitute x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Y equal to x square minus x minus 12. Y equal to 1 whole square minus of 1 minus 12. 1 minus 1 0. 0 minus 12 equal to minus 12. Minus 12. 1 comma minus 12. Okay. Next x equal to 2. y equal to x square minus x minus 12. 2 whole square minus of 2 minus 12. 2 whole square is nothing but 4 minus 2 minus 12. 4 minus 2 minus 12 minus 10. So x equal to 2 means y equal to minus 10. 2 comma minus 10. Next x value is 3. Y equal to x square minus x minus 12. Y equal to 3 whole square minus of 3 minus 12. 3 whole square is 9 minus 3 minus 12. 9 minus 3 is 6 minus 12. 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Okay, so substitute minus 6 here. 3 comma minus 6. Next value is 4. Now substitute x equal to 4. Y equal to x square minus x minus 12. Y equal to 4 whole square minus of 4 minus 12. 4 4 is 16 minus 4 minus 12. Okay, 16 minus 12 minus 4. Minus 4 and sorry 16 నుంచి 4 కట్ చేస్తే ఎంత 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So 4 y value 0. 4 comma 0. Now we got all values of x and y values. Just list out all these values on a graph. Okay, now draw all the values of x and y here. So x comma y values are minus 3 comma 0, I have written all x and y values here. Now we have to draw the graph. Scale, first write the scale on x axis. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, first draw the x axis here. X axis, and this is y axis. Okay, this is y axis. First 0, on this side we have all positive values 1 2. X axis మీద ఉన్న -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 ఓన్లీ 4 కదా 3 4 5 6 7 8 -1 -2 -3 -2 -1 0. Okay, -3 -4 -5 -6. Okay, now on y axis 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, on y axis -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 -9 -10 -11 -12 -13 -14 -15. Okay, so first value is -3 comma 0. First value is -3 comma 0. -3 is on x axis, y is on 0 is on y axis. -3 on x axis, y is on 0 axis. Okay, so -3 is here. Next value is -2 comma -6. X comma y, -2 and -6. -2 and -6 here. Next value is -1 comma -10. -1 comma -10 here. On x axis -1, y axis -10. Okay, next 0 comma -12. On x axis is 0, y-axis is minus 12. X-axis 0 here, y-axis minus 12 where it is here. Okay, next 1 comma minus 12. 1 on x-axis is 1, y-axis is minus 12. 1 comma minus 12. Next 2 comma minus 10 and x-axis is 2 and y-axis is minus 10. 2 comma minus 10. Next 3 comma minus 6. 3 and x-axis is 3, y-axis is minus 6. Minus 6 here 3. 1 2 here 3. Next 4 comma 0 and x-axis is 4, y-axis is 0. Okay, now let's join these all dots here. If you join like this, you will get some shape. So which shape is it? It is a parabola. It is a parabola. So you can see here this graph touches at x-axis. You can see here this graph touches at x-axis. So wherever this graph touches on x-axis, those are the zeros of this polynomial. If you see here, this graph touches an x-axis, minus 3 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. Okay, so we can say minus 3 and 4 are zeros of this polynomial. Minus 3 and 4 are the zeros of this given polynomial. So write like result. The graph cuts or intersects. The graph cuts at x-axis on minus 3 comma 0, minus 3 and 4, only x coordinate. Okay, minus 3 and 4. So we can say these are, so minus 3 and 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, next graph is over. Next we have to justify our answer. So justification. So let's take given polynomial p of x equal to, what is a given polynomial? X square minus x minus 12. Here we have to find the factors of this polynomial. Okay, first find the factors of this polynomial. How can we find? So first divide this middle term into two parts. Okay, so first to find the factors, let us take these two terms. 1 into minus 12, x square into minus 12. How can we find factors means, just see here, minus 12 x square. So what are the factors of 12? 12 comma 1 and 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4, 12 ones are 12, 3 fours are 12. But which factors you have to take? This pair or this pair? If you add these two, you have to get this middle term. If you add these two, you have to get this middle term. So see, if you add these two, will you get minus x? 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 equal to 3. But here we have 1, minus 1. Okay, if you subtract 3 from 4, 4 minus 3 equal to, or 3 minus 4 equal to, we will get 1. So we have to consider this pair. So if you multiply, you have to get this one. 12 ones are 12 and 3 fours are also 12. So if you take these two values, 3 and 4. So here we have negative symbol. So for these two numbers, for bigger number, put negative symbol. Okay, here we have x square. Put 1x for this, 1x for this. Okay, if you multiply 3 into 4, 3 fours are 12. Plus into minus, minus, x into x, x square. If you subtract 3x from 4x, we will get minus x. Okay, so like that you have to find the factors. Okay, so x square, in place of minus x, I can write it as plus 3x minus 4x minus 12. Okay, if you subtract or add, you have to get this middle term. So 3x minus 4x equal to minus x. If you multiply these two terms, you have to get these two, product of these two. Okay, so 3 4 is 12 minus 12x square. Okay, so now see, consider these two terms and consider these two terms. In these two terms, x square plus 3x, x is common. So now I am taking x as common, and x into x, 1x is I took common. So still we left with 1x. And between we have plus symbol, put plus symbol. Here already I take x as common, we have left out with plus 3. Okay, next here see, in these two terms minus is common, take minus, and 4 table 4 and 12 4 table, so we can write this 12 4 3s are. So let us take 4 is common. After 4 is common, here we have left with x, minus is already common, plus, so 4 3 is 12, 4 is common, so we have left with 3. So now write it as, here in these two terms, again in these two terms x plus 3 is common. So let us take x plus 3 is common. We have left with x and minus 4. These two terms are remaining. So x minus 4. So to find the zeros, equate them separately equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to plus 3. It moves from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 3. So next, x plus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to, sorry, x minus 4 equal to 0. It moves from LHS to RH, it becomes 4. So here also we are getting the same minus 3 and minus 4. So zeros of the polynomials are minus 3 and 4. Our answer is correct. Children, now move on to second problem. Children, already I have told first problem. In first problem, first we have drawn graph, next we did justification process. Okay, in second problem, first do justification process, next draw the graph, because in justification process we will get zeros. Based on that we have an idea what type of values we have to take to draw the graph. Okay, this is the second method. First, so what is the question? We have to draw the graph and find the zeros and justify the answer. In this method, first I am doing justification. Okay, so p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. So first find the factors. How can we find? Let us take these two terms. 6 into x square. 6 into x square. What are the factors of 6? So 2 3s are 6. 6 1s are 6. So if you add these two terms, you have to get this middle term. Okay, if you add or subtraction, anything. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. If you subtract 1 from 6, 5. So you can take any pair. Okay, so now I am taking this pair. So for 6 we can write it as 2 and 3. Here we have 2x square. So write 1x for this, write 1x for this. Okay, if you multiply 2 3s are 6x into x square. If we add these 2 plus 3 5, x plus x x. Okay, so we x square plus 5x we can written it as 2x plus 3x plus 6. Okay, x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So consider these two terms as one pair. So in these two terms x is common, so I have 1x as common and we have left with 1x. In between we have positive symbol, put positive symbol. Here x is common, we have left with 2 plus, and close the bracket, and next 3x plus 6. In these two, take plus 3 is common and we have left with x plus 6. We can written it as 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Here already I have taken x as common and we have left with 2. Okay, again here this place separate this term and this term. Okay, here plus is separate these two terms. In these two terms again x plus 2 is common. So write it as x plus 2 as common, and we have left with, after taking x plus 2 is common, we have left with x plus 3. Okay, so now write x plus 3. So to find the zeros, we have to equate each of these equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. Then x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. X plus 3 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 3. Okay, x plus 2 equal to 0. If move from LHS to RHS, this plus 2 it becomes minus 2. Here plus 3 it move from LHS to RHS becomes minus 3. So these are the zeros of this polynomial, minus 2 and minus 3. Sorry children, this bit is not from third bit. So actually our second bit is p of x equal to x square minus x plus 9. Actually our second bit is this one, not this one. So let us find out factors of this polynomial x square minus x plus 9. Okay, here let us take these two terms, 9 x square. What are the factors of 9? We can write 3 3s are 9, only 3 3s are 9, or 9 1s are 9. Okay, if you subtract or add, you have to get this middle term. 3 plus 3 6, or 3 minus 3 0. No. 9 minus 1 8. Will you get minus 6? No. If you add 9 plus 1 10, will you get minus 6? No. So we have to consider this pair. So we can write it as, here the x square, 1x for this, 1x for this. If you multiply 3 into 3 3s are 9, x into x square. So if you add these two, if you 3 plus 3 6. Here we have negative symbol, so put negative symbol for both these terms. So now we can write x square minus 6, we can write it as minus 3x and minus 3x plus 9. Okay, so in these two terms, consider these two terms as 1 pi, consider these two terms as 1 pi. In these two terms x is common, we have left 1x, and here 1x is common, we are left with minus 3. Okay, here I am taking minus 3 as common, we are left with x, already 1 minus plus, we can write it as minus into minus. 1 minus is common, we have left with 1 minus, keep 1 minus. And we can write 9 3 into 3, already 1 3 is common, we have left with 1 3. Okay, so here minus is separate these two terms, so in these two terms x minus 3 is common. So if we take x minus 3 is common, we have left with x minus 3, these two terms x minus 3. So to find the zeros, equate each of these two equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. Again x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. So these are the zeros of the polynomial. 3s are the zeros of the polynomial. So based on this we can take x value. So here see x 3 values kada. So how can we take x values now? Now we got x value is 3 here. So we can take x value from highest value is 3. Okay, no need to take 4 value. So next 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Okay, now if we substitute x values in given polynomial, then we get y coordinates. So x comma y, so first p of x equal to, what is a given polynomial? X square minus x plus 9. Okay, substitute first. Let us assume y equal to x square minus x 6x plus 9. So first case is x equal to 3. Substitute x in place of x 3. Y equal to 3 whole square minus 6 into 3 plus 9. 3 whole square is nothing but 3 3s are 9 minus 6 3s are 18 plus 9. 9 plus 9 18 minus 18 equal to 0. Here y value is 0. Next x equal to 2. So y equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. 2 whole square minus 6 into 2 plus 9. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12 plus 9. Okay, 4 plus 9 13 minus 12 1. Okay, next x value is 1. Y equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. Substitute x value 1. 1 whole square minus 6 into 1 plus 9. 1 6 into 1 minus 6 plus 9. 9 plus 1 10 10 minus 6 4. Okay, so when you substitute the 2 we get y as 1. Here y value is 4. Now substitute x value 0. Y equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. Y equal to 0 whole square minus 6 into 0 plus 9. So 9. Y equal to 0 plus 0 get cancelled 9. Next x equal to minus 1. Y equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. Y equal to minus 1 whole square minus 6 into minus 1 plus 9. Y equal to minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1. Minus into minus plus 6 into 1 6 and 9. So 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 9. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 9 16. Okay, so now write all x values 3 comma 0 2 comma 1 1 comma 4 0 comma 9 minus 1 comma 16. So now using these x and y values, now we have to draw the graph. Okay, on graph if these values intersect at x-axis we can say those are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, so now write all x and y values here. 3 comma 0 2 comma 1 1 comma 4 0 comma 9 minus 1 comma 16 minus 1 comma 16. Okay, so graph scale on x-axis on y-axis. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, now draw the graph like. Okay, on x-axis this side we have all positive values 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. And y-axis means 0 1 4 9 16. Oh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we get 16 on somewhere. Here on y-axis all negative values minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8. So now locate all x and y values on a graph. So the first value is 3 comma 0 on x-axis 3, y-axis is 0. So here next 2 comma 1 on x-axis 2, y-axis is 1 here. Next 1 comma 4 on x-axis is 1, y-axis is 4. Next 0 comma 9, and x-axis is 0 and y-axis is 9 here. Next minus 1 comma 16, and x-axis minus 1, x-axis minus 1, and y-axis is here somewhere, suppose here we have like that. Okay, now join these dots. Now join these dots with hand only. So after joining these dots, this graph touches at a x-axis at a 3. Okay, this graph touches at only 3 comma 0. So we can say 3 is a 0 of this given polynomial. So in justification process also, so where we here, see, here we get x is 3. So in justification also we get 3 is the 0. On graph also, this graph touches at 3. So we can say 3 is 0 of this polynomial. So result we can write it as the graph cuts on x-axis at 3 comma 0. So 3 is 0 of the given polynomial. Okay, thanks for watching.